With GoMining, a lot of people leave free savings on the table. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 4 additional ways to get maintenance discounts and keep more of your mining rewards. Sounds good? Let's start. Today, we will see how you can save on maintenance thanks to activating your daily service discount streak, GoMining VIP program, the token locking system, and solo mode discount. Daily service discount. The first way of saving is by simply engaging the service button every day, adding a 0.3% discount each time, up to a maximum of 3% when a 10-day streak is reached. The best way to start, as it costs nothing more than a daily tap in the app. Just set a reminder and be sure to hit it before midnight UTC time, or you'll lose the streak and will have to start over again. VIP program discount. Your VIP status is based on either your total purchase terahashes or VE GoMining votes, whichever is higher. A higher level gives you an increased maintenance reduction up to a maximum of 6%. We'll examine the VIP program and VE GoMining votes in more details in upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Token lock system. As a reminder, we previously saw in the first episode of our series that simply holding GoMining tokens in the wallet gives up to a 20% maintenance discount when fees are also paid in GMT. However, that's not all. Add a VE GoMining lock. By locking your tokens, you'll get paid additional weekly rewards in GMT. So you can see this as another way to reduce your overall maintenance fees, or even eliminate them completely. To do so, go to the My Lock section of the app. From here, tap on the purple plus sign in the corner and then connect your wallet. You can either directly connect the virtual in-app wallet or use the web to connect any other Web3 external one. Let's use the virtual wallet for this example. In this next page, you can now set up the lock. Choose the amount of tokens to be locked and the duration from 1 week and up to 4 years. As you can see, the longer the lock period, the greater the APR will be. However, your weekly rewards won't be fixed and will decrease over time. You can always add more tokens or increase the lock duration later on. Now click Next. The last step is to agree to the staking terms and confirm the operation. That's it. Enjoy your weekly rewards. And remember, your locked tokens still count toward days of coverage for the basic discount too, even though they can't actually be used to pay for maintenance. So make sure to always have a few spare ones in your wallet. Solo mining discount. Finally, you also gain automatic solo mining fees deduction as long as you're not participating in miner wars. The voting system will be discussed in details in a future video alongside the previously mentioned VE GoMining votes. That's it for today. You now know several new ways to save on fees and improve your overall GoMining profitability. If you have any question, feel free to drop them below and I will be more than happy to help you the best I can. Happy mining and see you soon!